This Friday, we are expecting a big contrast in temperatures across the country, with a cold front bringing cooler conditions to the city of Cape Town, but remaining extremely hot over the northeastern regions with temperatures in the mid-40s. So here's your forecast. On Friday morning, we have this cold front approaching the southwestern Cape with a few foggy patches around the western coast, over the eastern Cape and in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Then into the afternoon, we are expecting showers over the city of Cape Town, the Winelands and the Overberg, with isolated thunderstorms possible around the eastern escarpment in Limpopo and Mpumalanga. But the weather service warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds, heavy rain and excessive lightning around the escarpment areas in Mpumalanga. So please be careful. We can see scattered showers possible around the city of Cape Town and the surrounding areas, with isolated showers possible around the southern Cape. Taking a look at your solar radiation map for this Friday, we can see a very poor PV harvest expected over the southwestern parts of the country, as well as the other parts of the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, an excellent PV harvest. A strong southwesterly wind spreading behind this cold front around the southern coast, fresh winds expected over the western, central and northeastern parts of the country, and a strong southerly wind blowing around the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia. But a high fire danger yet again in place over part of the northern Cape, the Free State and Limpopo due to the extremely hot, dry and windy conditions. In the Western Cape, cooler conditions expected with northwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong at times. The weather service is warning against damaging winds between Slangkop and Cape Agulhas, so please be careful. Scattered showers expected around the city of Cape Town, with a few isolated showers possible in the Overberg, the Garden Route and the Little Karoo, but otherwise partly cloudy skies and a windy afternoon with westerly to southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong at times around the southern Cape as well as over the interior, but temperatures in the mid-20s for the southern coastline. In the eastern Cape, foggy at first over the interior. Later, we are expecting windy conditions yet again over the northern areas as well as the coastal areas, and then isolated thunderstorms later possible around the eastern escarpment and south of the escarpment. In KwaZulu-Natal, cooler conditions expected over the southern regions, but remaining extremely hot in the north with 36 afternoon in Newcastle. Then isolated showers and thunderstorms possible with temperatures in the mid-20s around the eastern coast. In the Highveld, we are expecting another extremely hot day with windy conditions and heatwave conditions persisting. Isolated thunderstorms possible around the escarpment, but the weather service warning against severe thunderstorms, so please be careful. Another extremely hot day in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius and soaring to the mid-40s over the northern regions, with isolated thunderstorms later possible around the escarpment, but they will most likely also quickly blow away. In northwest, a sunny and windy afternoon, heatwave conditions continuing over parts of the province, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. In the Northern Cape, we are expecting a cold morning at first over the southern regions, just 8 in the morning in Sutherland. Otherwise, we are expecting mostly sunny skies and windy conditions yet again, temperatures above 30 over the central and northern areas. Another hot and windy day for the Free State, temperatures in the lower 30s with 32 in Bloemfontein, 32 in Bethlehem as well. And then in Gauteng, we're expecting partly cloudy skies, another day of heatwave conditions, 35 in Pretoria, 34 in Johannesburg, and windy conditions into the afternoon. On Saturday, foggy conditions in the morning over the southwestern parts of the country, and then we are expecting strong winds to blow around the eastern coast, much cooler conditions now spreading over the Highveld and into KwaZulu-Natal with light showers possible, but remaining extremely hot over parts of northwest Gauteng and the Free State, with heatwave conditions persisting in those areas. Then on Sunday, we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms to stretch here over parts of northwest Gauteng, the Highveld as well as the eastern parts of the country. It will remain hot, but at least we are expecting some thunderstorms to bring relief from the heat. Cooler conditions now expected in Limpopo with 28th afternoon in Polokwane, but becoming extremely hot over the western part of the country, with the heatwave conditions now also shifting to parts of the Northern Cape. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Friday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.